Good morning, students. Today we will see the next point from thermodynamics, that is bond enthalpy. Before this we have seen enthalpy of combustion, enthalpy of formation. Now today we will see the bond enthalpy. So what is bond enthalpy? It is the enthalpy change to break a covalent bond. आता तुम्हाला माहित आहे बॉन्ड एंथैल्पी आहे म्हणून टू ब्रेक ए कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड एंथैल्पी चेंज टू ब्रेक ए कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड in 1 mole of gaseous molecule. 1 mole of gaseous molecule to form gaseous atom and radicals. It is called as bond enthalpy. So bond enthalpy means enthalpy change. Bond enthalpy means the enthalpy change to break a covalent bond. एक कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेक करण्यासाठी 1 मोल ऑफ गॅसियस मॉलिक्यूलचा कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल टू ब्रेक ए कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड फ्रॉम गॅसियस एटम and radical to form gaseous atoms and radical. It will form the gaseous atoms and radicals. How it form? Now we will see, for example, H2 gas. This is the gaseous molecule. It is gaseous molecule. When the bond is broken, it forms H plus H. These are the two atoms. H plus H, these are the two atoms. So these are again in which state? Gaseous state. H bond H, it is how it is present? H bond H. So after breaking, this bond we are breaking. हा bond आपण तोडायलो. This bond after breaking in H2, H bond H, and it forms H plus H. So in this way, the formation of gaseous atom takes place, or the radicals. Radicals means having single electron. Radicals ला एक इलेक्ट्रॉन असतो. Radicals that are called as the radicals. So gaseous atoms these are, and it forms. So याचा delta H naught is equal to, the delta H naught value for this is 436.4 kJ per mole. So this much enthalpy is required, and this enthalpy is called as this value. It is the bond enthalpy. It is. So what is bond enthalpy? Enthalpy change to break a covalent bond. एक covalent bond break करायचा आहे. This is the covalent bond. We have broken this covalent bond. So after breaking the covalent bond, the formation of from gaseous molecule पासून gaseous atoms तयार झाले and radicals. Gaseous atom तयार होईल किंवा काय होईल? Radical होईल. So it is called as the bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy means what? Enthalpy change. This enthalpy change delta H. So it is delta H naught. Delta H naught enthalpy change, the value is how much it is? 436.4 kJ per mole. This is the value to break a particular covalent bond from gaseous molecule to form, this is gas and this is also gas. Gaseous molecule to form gaseous atoms or radicals. This is the bond enthalpy. So bond enthalpy, the other examples for bond enthalpy are, in case of diatomic molecule, if we consider a diatomic molecule. Now see, what is diatomic molecule? The molecule in which two atoms are present, then it is called as diatomic molecule. For example, diatomic molecule H2Cl2, these are the diatomic molecule. So for diatomic molecule, the bond enthalpy is equal to enthalpy of enthalpy of atomization. Enthalpy of what? Atomization. We have seen the bond enthalpy for diatomic molecule only. For diatomic molecules having the 2 atoms. For example, H2Cl2, these are having the 2 atoms. For diatomic molecule, the bond enthalpy is always equal to enthalpy of atomization. We have seen that is delta H naught of what? Atom. That is called as enthalpy of atomization, and this is delta H naught. So what is delta H naught means what? Bond enthalpy. So for diatomic molecule, the bond enthalpy is always equal to enthalpy of atomization. So what is bond enthalpy? To break a covalent bond. This bond we are breaking. For example, in diatomic molecule H2 or Cl2. Cl2 means what? Cl bond Cl. This bond we are breaking. So to break this bond, 1 mole substance should be 1 mole. The number of moles should be always 1 mole. Before this, here is 1 mole. So to break this 1 mole of gaseous molecule, after breaking 1 mole of gaseous molecule, we have formed gaseous atoms. So these are the gaseous atoms, and these are also gaseous atoms or what? Radicals. And that enthalpy is called as enthalpy of bond enthalpy. It is called as bond enthalpy. It breaks a particular covalent bond. This bond is broken. So by breaking this covalent bond, this bond enthalpy is formed. After breaking, it formed the gaseous atoms or gaseous radicals. This formed gaseous atoms or gaseous radicals from 1 mole of gaseous molecule. It forms gaseous atoms. For diatomic molecule, the bond enthalpy is always equal to what? Enthalpy of atomization. Diatomic molecule means what? The molecule having the 2 atoms, H2Cl2. These are called as the diatomic molecule. In diatomic molecule, the bond enthalpy is always equal to enthalpy of what? Atomization. In diatomic molecule, the bond enthalpy is always equals to the enthalpy of atomization.